Hi, I hope everybody is doing well today. My name is Anne-Britt and today's video is another RoC Skincare video, my favourite skincare brand. And it's about, relatively new, it's been out a couple of months, the new Mutl Correxion Crepe Repair Targeted Treatment. So we're going to go into detail about this today. I'm going to tell you about how to use it, I'll give you a 101 about the fabulous ingredients in here, who it's good for, etc, etc. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all guys, a quick introduction if you've never been here before. My name is Anne-Britt and welcome, and I have been in the skincare beauty industry for 30 years, a very long time. And as they say in America, I am licensed and I'm also a certified beauty therapist, holistic therapist. If you would like skincare advice from somebody who actually works in the trade, then make sure to like and subscribe. Now without further ado, let's talk about this fabulous cream. Oh, and first of all guys, I apologise for the crazy schedule in September, but there was nothing I could do. Hurricane season, so internet out, power out, and there was nothing I could do. So please do not think I've been inconsistent. It was absolutely without my control. Mother Nature. So let's get to this, okay? So this Mutl Correxion Crepe Repair, okay, definitely for mature skin. Let's first of all address what causes crepey skin. Certainly it's natural aging, definitely overexposure to sunlight, even, you know, damage we've did as a nipper. Weight loss is also a contributing factor. Also hormonal changes, i.e. menopause. And a big factor also is dehydration. That's definitely going to give you wrinkles real fast, so please make sure you drink that big bottle of water every day. It helps immensely. So about this cream, now it is, first of all, let's talk about the price and the packaging. So it comes in this 4-ounce tube and it's $29.99 on its own. However, I bought it with, because I'm curious about RoC Skincare as usual, I bought it in a set and this cost me $51, so it's much more economical to buy it in the set. Now this other one is called Crepe Repair Face and Neck Cream. Now they both are different ingredients, a bit different consistency, so this, as you can tell, is going to be an upcoming video because this one deserves a video on its own also. This is the most fabulous moisturiser. But anyway, let me get back to this. So you're probably wondering, right, first of all, the consistency I'm going to show you. Now compared to the face and neck cream, this is definitely, I would say, a thicker consistency. Now what is the main aim of this? So this cream is for hard to treat areas, that, you know, that are crepey and sagging skin. So this is especially good for the hands, number one. Elbows, you know, because where do we age fastest? All right, let's get to it. The hands, definitely. The neck, the décolletage. Also, you can use it on the knees. I mean, this, as I say, the elbows, for them hard to reach areas, in areas where you also have age spots, which we'll get into in the ingredients. However, because I use this on my face and neck, what I do with this is I use it on my décolletage, I use it on my hands, my elbows, my knees, and also my feet because my feet get very dry and yeah. So this is great, I would say, for more skin on, to do with skin on your body. And this, the only con is, it is a bit expensive. I mean, it would be fabulous if it came in a Whopper size, because I would definitely use this in an instant on my full body. I hope they think of that for the future. Apply it on your elbows. See how rich and creamy that is. And of course, where we all get crepey, on the décolletage. Yes, this is age spots that have came up from damage you did, I did, not you, sorry, long time ago as a nipper. So please, if you're a youth watching this, make sure you are applying your sunscreen, and always remember here. Anyway, let's get to it. So the ingredients of this is extremely high, it's very rich in antioxidants. So first up on the list, we have, now this has been backed by 7 years of research, okay? And this is to deal with sagging skin, as I say, extremely dry, dehydrated skin, which in menopause, the skin just naturally gets a lot drier because we lose the collagen and elastin, etc. So the prime ingredient in this targeted treatment cream is Hexylresorcinol. I will write it on the screen, and hopefully, because YouTube never gave me my captions in the last video, hopefully they will caption this. Please YouTube, caption this video. I want all my videos to be captioned. Anyway, so Hexylresorcinol, they have did 7 years of research. Now this is a rich antioxidant powerhouse, and what Hexylresorcinol does is it's extremely well suited for mature skin. It improves the skin tone. It's also skin brightening. So this Hexylresorcinol, the main ingredient and the research that they put in, this is good for hyperpigmentation and age spots, and it can be likened to the same effects as hydroquinone. So the Hexylresorcinol is perfectly safe to use, but it is a skin brightening agent. So as you know, we always get age spots on the hands, but consistency is key. Like, don't expect miracles overnight, but this is extreme moisture, and it moisturizes your skin for 48 hours. Now let's get on to the rest of the ingredients. Now the next one, which this is what I love about RoC Skincare, because they seem to put it in all their moisturizers, is shea butter. Very, very rich in antioxidants, and shea butter is good for all skin types. It's extremely hydrating. It's high in antioxidants, vitamin A, E and F, even good for inflammatory conditions such as eczema, psoriasis. Shea butter is also high in fatty acids, so it locks that moisture into your skin. Also anti-aging, it boosts collagen production, which we need in mature skin, and it regenerates the cells much quicker. So shea butter, if you've heard me before in my other videos, is one of the best moisturising ingredients. You should always look for that in your moisturiser. Next on the agenda we have sunflower seed oil. Now sunflower seed oil is another one. It's high in vitamin E. It combats redness and irritation in the skin, so this is even good for skin that is prone to rosacea, inflammatory conditions again, such as eczema and psoriasis. We have jojoba seed extract, which is very calming on the skin. It retains moisture, has anti-aging benefits, and it smooths out them wrinkles, and it has vitamins E and B complex. Vitamin E, very important, just the same as shea butter. It protects the natural skin barrier, so it locks that moisture in and it softens the skin, and it's also anti-inflammatory. So this targeted cream is paraben free, dermatologist tested, and it's non-comedogenic. You can use this targeted cream in the AM or the PM, and the targeted aims is dry, dehydrated skin, sagging skin, crepey skin, age spots and hyperpigmentation. So would I say this is worth the money? Definitely. There's not been many RoC Skincare products that I do not like, trust me. So this will be in the next video. So I hope this helps with any confusion, because I must admit, when I got this cream, I was like, okay, so what's the difference with this and this? But this is a thicker consistency. This one has a lot more skincare ingredients that we're going to talk about in the next video. And trust me, you'll want to stay put for that, because this moisturiser is absolutely fabulous. And this I use in the morning. I'll explain in the next video. This, as I say, I use it on my elbows, my hands, you know, where you need more moisture, my knees, in my feet and my décolletage, because this cream is very precious and I use this on the face and neck. So I use this where I'm more dry and it's more age spots. So I hope I didn't rabble on too much, and until the next skincare video, I'm going to say adios, over out, and thank you for watching. And please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.